Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Cardano video update for Saturday 2nd of July. And right now Cardano is just in a downtrend right now, taking the corrections here and there. We haven't seen some amazing movement from Cardano, just downtrend for a very long time now. And there's this level that you don't want to lose, 42, 0.4204, because there's a good chance that you're actually going to continue to go to the downside. And my take is actually go to the downside. Weekend is already upon us now. And there's an apex coming in very soon for Cardano that actually has a decision making, okay? So there's some sort of a bearish pattern right now. And if you do break out of the bearish pattern, then there's a good chance that you're looking for a technical target from there to there. Then you're coming all the way down to 3935, and that's actually going to take out the 4204 as well. And once you come down here, we're going to see what's going to happen next. But I highly doubt if that's going to be a bottom, because one thing I'm going to do is take the bottom to the top right there, and you're looking for Cardano to make a reversal wave, because you've lost the 0.618. There's a good chance that if you do put a tick right here, you're coming down to the 1.6183667, and that will be an amazing entry opportunity for a quick trade. Maybe go back up and then make a quick trade and then move on, take your profit, run away, a day trader scenario. And that's it for this quick update on Cardano. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.